Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we meet again in High English. This time we're going to talk about past continuous. Have you ever heard? What is it? When do we use that kind of sentence? Well, past continuous is a sentence which describes an ongoing action began in the past and still going on when another action happened. Kalimat past continuous adalah kalimat yang mendeskripsikan kejadian yang sedang berlangsung di masa lampau dan masih berlangsung ketika kejadian yang lain terjadi. Let's take a look to an example. Razan was explaining the lesson when Zaidan searched something in Google. Razan sedang menjelaskan pelajaran ketika Zaidan mencari sesuatu di Google. Jadi, kejadian yang pertama kali terjadi adalah Razan yang sedang menjelaskan pelajaran, kemudian disusul dengan kegiatan yang dilakukan oleh Zaidan, yaitu mencari sesuatu di Google. Simple past and past continuous are the same. They happen in the past. What makes them different is the time. Meskipun simple past dan past continuous sama-sama terjadi di masa lampau, yang membedakannya adalah past continuous happen in the past but still continuing when another action happen. Past continuous terjadi di masa lampau tapi masih berlangsung ketika ada kejadian yang juga terjadi di masa lampau. It doesn't happen in the present, bukan terjadi di masa sekarang. They happened in the past. Mereka sama-sama terjadi di masa lampau. And how to form the past continuous tense is by putting the subject plus was or were plus verb ing. And the simple past, I'm sure, because we have learned about simple past in the last video, I'm sure that all of you understood. Let's take a look to another example. Ridwan was sleeping when the earthquake happened. Ridwan sedang tidur ketika ada gempa bumi yang terjadi. Jadi, kegiatan mana yang lebih dahulu terjadi? Very good. Ridwan was sleeping. Kejadian yang pertama kali terjadi adalah Ridwan yang sedang tidur, kemudian disusul dengan kejadian gempa bumi yang terjadi. When my mother cooked, my big brother was doing his project. When my mother cooked, my big brother was doing his project. Which sentence or which action do you think happened for the first time? Excellent! My big brother was doing his project and then my mother cooked. Billy was playing a computer game when his father cleaned up the living room. What do you think the action happened firstly? Very good. Billy was playing a computer and then after that, while he was playing the computer game, his father cleaned up the living room. My family and I were eating in the restaurant when the earthquake happened. Keluarga saya dan saya sedang makan di restoran ketika gempa bumi itu terjadi. Hal yang terjadi lebih dahulu adalah saya dan keluarga saya makan di restoran. Kemudian ketika saya dan keluarga saya makan di restoran, ada gempa bumi yang terjadi. So, the action that happened firstly is my family and I were eating in the restaurant so that the earthquake happened. My neighbors were playing and watching computer when I read an old thick storybook in my room. My neighbors were playing and watching computer when I read an old thick storybook in my room. Playing computer game dulu, baru kemudian kegiatan membacanya menyusul setelah kalimat sebelumnya. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to share, comment below, subscribe, and thumbs up for the video so we can meet in another video. Wassalamualaikum.